Have you finally found your way to the bustling city of dreams, London? If so, prepare to be welcomed with open arms at Loampit Vale SE13, a student housing accommodation that's nothing short of magnificent. Nestled in the heart of the lively Lewisham neighborhood, Loampit Vale SE13 offers a breathtaking selection of studio apartments to choose from. Each room serves as your retreat, offering a comfortable bed, elegant furniture, a private workspace, and plenty of storage space. And when it comes to everyday amenities, the tidy bathrooms and the modern kitchen equipped with state-of-the-art appliances are just some of the added perks. In addition, the property also features a large gym, private dining rooms, and beautiful lounges, where you can savor the free weekday breakfast. Start off on academic adventures with a 10-minute walk to Lewisham Southwark College, or a 5-minute drive will take you to Goldsmiths, University of London. On weekends, catch a quick train at St. John's train station 10 minutes away and experience a 360-degree view of London from the Shard. Craving a quick bite or some time to unwind with friends? Everest Curry King Restaurant and the welcoming Rising Sun Lewisham Pub are just a stone's throw from your doorstep. Your perfect haven at Loampit Vale SE13 is all set and eagerly awaiting your arrival. Head over at amberstudent.com and claim your spot today.